Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Syazwan bin Muhammad Aznan and my friend Muhammad Raziq bin Muhammad Azmi will present about differential equation. Okay. What is differential equation? A differential equation is an equation involving an unknown function and its derivative. The solution of this differential equation is a function. For example, as you can see, differential equation y double prime plus 2y prime equal to 3y. F double prime x plus 2f prime x equal to 3fx. D squared y over dx squared plus 2 dy dx dy over dx equal to 3y. All of this is the same thing. Okay, as you can see, solution for differential equation is a function, but we have note if x or y or any alphabet is given a number, then the answer is in number. Okay, we see algebraic equation is not a differential equation because the answer give a number. As you can see, for the example is x squared plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. We will get x equal to negative 2 and x equal to negative 1. So the answer is a number. It's not a function. So algebraic equation is not a differential equation. What is ordinary differential equation? Ordinary is an equation which expresses a relationship between the derivative of an unknown function, the independent variable, and the unknown function itself. A differential equation in which the unknown function is a function of a single independent variable. Okay. Properties and characteristics of ordinary differential equation. A differential equation of the form y prime plus p t y equal to gt is called first order linear differential equation. A first order differential equation that cannot put in form of equation 1 is called non-linear. If gt equal to 0, then it is called homogeneous function. If gt not equal to 0, then it is called non-homogeneous function. As you can see, this example, y prime minus 9y equal to 0 is homogeneous because we can see at here, if gt equal to 0, then it called homogeneous function. Also for nonlinear, y prime minus 12y squared equal to 0. When gt is equal to 0, then we call it homogeneous. For non-homogeneous, y prime minus 4y equal to 39. The gt not equal to 0, so we call non-homogeneous. Also for nonlinear, y prime minus xy squared equal to 32. Okay, for question 3, we will discuss the solution of differential equation. The solution of differential equation can be discussed in an example. For example, solve the equation dy over dx equal to 4x cubed plus 6x cubed in terms of y. The solution can be made by integrating both sides. Okay, dy over dx equal to 4x cubed plus 6x cubed. When we integrate both sides, it will become y equal to x to the power of 4 plus 3 over 2 x to the power of 4 plus c, where c is a constant. Okay, for method to solve ordinary differential equation, we have two methods, which is separable function for first order ordinary differential equation and integrating factor first order ordinary differential equation. Okay, we will see the separable function first. Okay, for separable of variable method, we show this example. Solve x squared plus 1 in the bracket dy over dx equal to xy. Okay, the first step, we have to eliminate x square plus x square. We will move the x from left side to the right side. Okay, then we will eliminate x square plus 1 in the bracket and y in the bracket on the left side and y in the right side. So in order to eliminate both of them, we have to divide both sides by x square plus 1 in the bracket y. It will become 1 over y dy dx equal to x over x square plus 1 in the bracket dx. So we will integrate both sides. When we integrate both sides, we have to let u equal to x square plus 1. And when we differentiate u, it will become 2x. And it will become the x will move to the left side, it will become and 2y. The x will move to right side and 2 will move to right side. It will become over 2 du equal to x dx. This we will substitute in this. For the third step, we will integrate both sides. When this, it will become 1 over u. When we let u equal to x square plus 1. When we integrate, it will become, when I integrate 1 over u, it will become ln x square plus 1. Ln u. Then we substitute back u x square plus 2 plus 1 x square plus 1 in the u. It will become this ln y equal to 1 over 2 ln x square plus 1 plus c, where c is a constant.
Okay, next, by integrating factor. For example, solve the following ordinary differential equation using the integral factor method. dy over dx plus 0.4y equal to 3 exponent power of negative x, where y 0 in bracket equal to 5. So, the solution, first of all, we have to write the ordinary differential equation using the integrating factor method, which is dy over dx plus p x in bracket y equal to qx. Then p is 0.4, this 0.4, and qx equal to 3 exponent power of negative x, this. And the integrating factor is ux equal to exponent power of integrate p dx. So our p is 0.4, so we substitute 0.4 into p, which is ux equal to exponent integrate exponent power of integrate 0.4 dx. So we integrate 0.4 dx, we will get exponent power of 0.4x. After that, we multiply equation 1. We multiply equation 1, this one, by integrating factor ux. We get e power of 0.4x bracket dy over dx plus 0.4y closing bracket equal to exponent power of 0.4x bracket 3 exponent power of 3 exponent power of negative 3 closing bracket. Then we expand this and this, which we will get exponent power of 0.4x dy over dx plus 0.4 exponent power of 0.4x y equal to exponent power of 0.4x bracket 3 exponent power of negative x. Then e power of 0.4x d over dx bracket y plus d over dx bracket exponent power of 0.4x and bracket y equal to 3 exponent power of 0.6x. So we using formula that ux dv x over dx plus vx du over dux over dx equal to d over dx bracket ux vx. Then we get d over dx bracket e power of 0.4 y equal to 3 e power of negative 0.6x. Then we get e 0.4x e power of 0.4x y equal to integrate 3 exponent power of negative 0.6x dx. Then we get 3 power of negative 0.6x over negative 0.6 plus c. Okay. Now since y 0 equal to 5, then we substitute e 0.4 for 0 and this y is before that x is 0 and y equal to 5. Then we get 3 exponent power of negative 0.6 over negative 0.6 plus c, where c is. So from this we can find c. Then we get 5 equal to negative 5 plus c. Then c we get 10. So we substitute the value of c in equation 2. Then e power of 0.4 xy equal to, sorry, this is only 1 equal, not 2 equal, which is 3 power of negative 0.6x over negative 0.6 plus 10. So we get y equal to 3 exponent power of negative 0.6 over negative 0.6 exponent power of 0.4x plus 10 over exponent power of 0.4x. Then we get y equal to negative 5 exponent power of negative x plus 0 plus 10 exponent power of negative 0.4x. So at x equal to 3, then we substitute 3 into this. Then y 3 equal to negative 5 negative 5 exponent power of negative 3 plus 10 exponent power of negative 0.4 x 0.43. Then we get 2.763. That's all. Thank you.